Hello everyone! Today we're making Asian style pear dessert. First, thinly slice the ginger and keep the skin. Next, we're going to prepare the pear. First, cut the pear in half, then peel the skin. Next, remove the seeds from the pear.
Place the ginger in a boiling water, then add 150 grams of sugar. Then add the pear as well.
Next, prepare a lid with baking paper. Fold the baking paper into a triangle, then roll it up like this. Cut the both ends off to make the lid. Before you place the lid, make sure to remove the foam and place the lid in the pot. Wait 20 minutes and take the pear and the ginger out. Place them onto a separate bowl, then add the syrup from the top. Wrap the bowl and leave them in the fridge until it cools it off. Once it's cooled off, take the pear out and slice it thin. For ginger, follow the same step. Place the pear and ginger onto a small bowl. We're going to use goji berry and parsley as decorations. For goji berry, let it soak in water before you use it. Wow, this looks amazing.